Welcome to this video where we'll explore a fascinating phenomenon in the world of MariaDB. Have you ever encountered a situation where a query runs smoothly on one version of MariaDB but fails on another? This might seem counterintuitive, especially when the versions are relatively close to each other. In this case, we're comparing MariaDB 10.434 and MariaDB 10.412. Today we'll delve into the possible reasons behind this discrepancy, exploring what could cause a query to run on one version but not on another. By understanding these differences, you'll gain valuable insights into how to troubleshoot similar issues in your own database management journey. Let's dive right into it. When dealing with different versions of MariaDB, or any database system for that matter, the compatibility and behavior of queries can vary due to several factors. These include changes in SQL syntax support, optimizations in the query execution engine, bug fixes, and alterations in default settings. One potential reason a query might run on MariaDB 10.412, but not on 10.434 is due to changes in how certain CLI constructs are handled. Newer versions often introduce stricter compliance with SQL standards or modify how specific queries are optimized and executed. This means that while a query was valid and ran correctly in an older version, it might be flagged as invalid or run into errors due to these changes. Another factor could be the bug fixes and improvements made between these two versions. It's possible that MariaDB 10.412 had a particular issue or oversight that allowed the query to run without error, but this was later fixed in version 10.4, leading to compatibility issues. Lastly, changes in default settings or configurations could also play a role. Different versions might have different defaults for certain parameters that affect how queries are executed. If your query relies on specific behaviors tied to these parameters, changes in the defaults between versions can lead to unexpected results. So, what should you take away from this discussion? First, compatibility between different versions of MariaDB or any database system is not always guaranteed due to various factors such as SQL syntax, support, query execution, optimizations, bug fixes, and default settings change. Second, when troubleshooting queries that run differently across versions, consider these factors and adjust your approach accordingly. In understanding why a query might run on one version of MariaDB, but not another, involves looking into the nuances of database system evolution, whether it's about SQL compliance, bug fixes, or changes in default settings. Recognizing these differences is key to managing databases effectively across various versions. If you have any questions about this topic, or perhaps have experienced similar issues with different queries or database versions, please let us know in the comments below. Your engagement helps create a community of learners and experts alike. Don't forget to like this video if it helped clarify things for you, and consider subscribing for more content on database management and SQL insight. Thanks for watching.